Hi, Veer. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine. Thank you so much.
I am very well, ma'am.
Which place do you belong to?
Yeah, this is Birpal. Basically, I am from Uttar Pradesh, but currently I live in Silvassa. You know
Okay.
Silvassa?
Yes, I've heard about it.
Yeah.
And
And
what do you
about you?
do there?
What about you, ma'am?
What do you do there?
Yeah, I am working in private company.
Okay.
You heard about the Akshay Patra Foundation?
Yes, I've heard about it.
Yes, I am working in Akshay Patra Foundation.
What exactly they do?
My company,
Yes.
my company provide food for children who is studying in government school in 1 to 8 standard.
Okay. So they provide food for children who are studying in the government schools. But how
Yeah.
do you manage such a huge strength? And if you can just tell me the process.
Yeah, actually, my company is working in under government,
Okay.
and we have to purchase foods like vegetables and all wheat flour, like each and every materials of related to cooking. And
Mm-hmm.
after that, we start to cooking in night, and we prepared all foods in the morning, and
Okay.
after that uh, we after cooking we have to pack all foods in like hot box, like we can
Okay.
say tiffin, and
Okay.
after that we load in the vehicles, and uh, my vehicle take this vehicle my vehicles take this that tiffin
Mm-hmm.
for
To different
distributing.
schools, for different schools.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what do you do? What is your role?
I'm working as a supervisor here.
Okay. So you look after
Yeah.
the role of supervising where they make the food and everything is of the utmost
No, no,
good
no, no.
quality. Yes.
Yeah, I will explain. Actually, I'm not doing that work. I am
Okay.
working here as a contact supervisor. I am provide all all manpower. My
Okay.
working is manpower service. I
Okay.
am manpower servicer.
Okay. So you provide,
Yeah,
say, if kitchen will require two more people, then you have to
yeah,
see to it that you give them two more people for the kitchen.
exactly, ma'am. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So are you enjoying yourself?
yeah, yeah. I am enjoying actually. I'm comfort. I have no any complaint with my job. I'm
Okay.
comfortable. That's why I am working in this
Yes,
line, in
but
this company.
many times it happens that you get the job, you do it, but you're not very happy just because you have got the job and you are doing it. That's why you keep on doing that because of
Yeah.
the stability, financial stability, or you feel that, okay, fine, till you get another job, you will stick to this.
That's why I am working, and I am also learning, and I am also student as well as
Yes, but
I
it's
am.
a very great. I've heard about this foundation a lot, and I've seen that, but I did not know that they provide the midday meals to the school, and they provide because Akshay Patra Foundation. I'd heard that they provide food, but to whom they provide and how do they go about it, I did not know that.
Okay, I
So
think
thank
you
you
are
for
from
telling me.
Gujarat.
Yes, I am from Gujarat. Yes,
Okay, in which part of
I belong to Rajkot.
Rajkot?
Yes.
Okay, 13 kitchens available in Gujarat. 13, like
Okay.
Surat, Vadodara, Jamnagar, Ahmedabad. 13 kitchens available in Gujarat state.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And they take care of the quality. They do because you must be having someone from the nutrition department also who would be
Yeah.
asking you to follow those norms to provide them the food of that quality.
Yeah, we have to follow lots of rules and regulations related to. Food quality. Companies hire 2 and 3 person for take care of them, like quality members who is
Mm-hmm.
working in quality department.
Okay.
They have only one work for checking codes, and if they will approve, then after that uh, we can move food from here. If
Okay.
they will cancel and reject food, after that we can't move any food from here. We have to
Okay.
dispose.
Okay. So you said that you are in Silvassa. So how many schools come under you?
Here 380 schools in Silvassa and Daman also.
380 schools.
Yeah.
So you must be feeding actually what, 1200 students? How many students are being fed by you?
62,000. 62,000.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, if I am talking about Surat and Vadodara, then there are like 100, no, 1,20,000
One
students.
lakh 20,000 students are being fed by you.
Yes.
Good.
Then my Vadodara kitchen provide every day 1,20,000 student feeds every day.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're being fed by you. Good.
Yeah.
That's
But this is union territory, so that's why here is not. Uh, this is not big city. That's why there are
okay.
some few schools.
So you said that you belong to Uttar Pradesh. So
Yeah.
do you get selected? How do you get this? How do you get selected, and what is the procedure? How do they transfer you to the places, other places than your state?
Now, with in this company.
Yes, in this company.
Okay, when I was past my 12th in 2016, and I was free, and I don't have any work. I was jobless on that time, and my family condition is very bad that time,
Okay.
because I am the eldest brother,
Eldest son.
so
Okay.
that I have to take care of my yeah. So I have to take care of my family. Lots of responsibility I have. That's why. So I am. I was searching for a job. Then I did go 2 and 3 company, and I tried to join, but I was unable to join. And after that, my one friend asked me to join this company, and I came here and I joined.
Okay.
And I am working from that day to till now. I have been working in this company last 4.5 years.
Very good. Very
Yeah.
good. And you are based in Silvassa only, or you were transferred somewhere else also?
No, before I joined Vadodara company, and after that my company transferred me in
Shifted you
Daman.
to.
Shifted in Daman. After that, I shifted from Daman to in Silvassa. I am I am in here Silvassa before 2 years.
For 3 years now.
40 years now.
Okay, good. So do you understand Gujarati now?
I can understand little bit.
Okay. Because whoever you would be appointing would be all Gujaratis only.
Yeah, yeah. I can understand, but little bit, not each and everything.
Okay.
But if someone is talking each other, then I can understand easily. But they are talking each other very fast. Then
Okay.
I am unable to. I'm not able
Okay.
to. If
And you're
they
not
are,
able to understand.
yes, if they are talking very smoothly, then I can understand.
And if you know the context, I feel that if you know the context, then also you can understand that if they
Yeah.
are talking on so and so topic, then you would be able to understand what they are talking. But if you're clueless
Yeah,
about
exactly.
that, then you won't be able to understand.
Yeah, yeah, you are right, ma'am.
Okay, good. So it was great to know that you are doing such a good job, I would say, a job which everyone would ask for. and you are really feeding so many. Okay. Yes. So Veer, would you like to ask any question? Do you have,
Yeah,
do you want to ask any question? Yes.
yeah, I have question, ma'am. I want to improve myself, and you are very oldest teacher, and you have lots of experience. And I
Yes.
hope you guide me in right
Yes.
way. Please give me
Okay.
some tips. How
Yes.
can I improve myself?
Yeah. So we first and foremost, do you know the basic rules which are required to speak well? That is, to
Yeah,
speak correct English, we need the basic grammar. Do you know the basic grammar?
yeah, I know.
You
Like
know
we
that.
have to start with is MR, like this and
Yes.
that.
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. So if you know it, when to use simple present tense, when to use the continuous present tense, if you know where to use which tense, that also will really help you. If you are clear
Yeah,
in all these aspects, then you can, while talking, we can improve.
I know. I know about tense when we have to use past and present and future. But
Mm-hmm.
whenever I used to speak with someone,
Mm-hmm.
then I'm not able to express myself.
Okay. But today you expressed it well.
Okay, thanks.
Yes. So you can express it well. Only thing is that yes, you have made mistakes, but I did not stop you today because you were just going ahead, and while talking, if I stop you, it doesn't look nice. So, but from next time, what we can do is while you are talking, if you make any mistakes, then I can tell you that this is the rule and this is how you should go about it.
Yeah, sure, ma'am,
Okay.
sure.
Yes, yes. So,
Yeah,
and
and
a
I think
word, yes, please.
yeah, I think you have noticed about me. I'm able
Yes,
to speak and not, and what type of work need
you
to
need,
improve my.
yes, yes. You need to work on your tenses little bit. You need to,
Okay,
otherwise you speak well, you are able to express yourself well. Only thing is that somewhere, because as you said that sometimes only you make that grammatical errors, that we
okay,
can always try to correct it while you are talking. And if you can read something in English, if you can listen to good English, that will also really help you.
sure,
Yes.
definitely. Man, I watch so many time on YouTube your video. You are teaching in Clumpingo, and
Mhm.
I try to reach you, but you did. I can't uh, reach you. I have searched so many time, and
I was
today's
on
first
leave. I
time.
was on leave. I was on leave. So
Okay,
I'm
that's
back.
why
Yes.
I saw your profile and immediately I booked your slot.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, I was very excited to talk with you. Actually,
Okay.
you are very experienced. You have very experienced. That's why.
Good. Thank you so much, Veer. And let's hope that next time, whenever we meet, I'm able to help you and make your English
Sure,
better.
ma'am.
Yes.
Sure, ma'am.
So tell me, how is Silvassa? If you have to describe your place, how is that place?
It was nice, and we can live here very
It is
peacefully.
nice. It is nice.
It is nice.
Yes. Why? Because you are still staying there. That is why
Yeah.
you will not use the past tense. You will use the present tense. It is nice.
Okay.
Okay.
It is
Yes.
nice. It is nice place. We
Mm-hmm.
can live here very peacefully, and
Okay.
in here is environment is very well.
Okay. Good.
And if we want to go somewhere out of company, out of room, then we
Mm-hmm.
can go and we can visit. There are so many mountain and temples. There is very
Okay.
good environment, and
Okay.
we can go and we can enjoy ourselves. And
Good.
here is lots of garden available, like Dadra garden.
Okay,
Nachat Garden. You
I
heard about?
haven't been there. I haven't been there, so I don't know much about this place.
Okay, but you should visit here. I think it is a
Okay,
nice place,
okay,
and Daman Beach is nearby. If
okay,
uh, if I feel to go there, then I will definitely go there and enjoy myself.
okay. So what is the what is the main difference you find in, because you said that you're from UP. So what is that
Yeah,
difference? One thing which you find from, which is different from UP here in Silvassa or in Gujarat?
yes, yes. There are so many different between Uttar Pradesh and Silvassa.
Okay,
Actually, if I am talking about Uttar Pradesh, so there are not any like industries and any working place. There
okay.
are lots of person we can find easily jobless
Hmm.
person. And if
Okay.
I talk about Silvassa, then there is lots of
Companies
factories,
where you can work.
industries,
Mhm.
companies, yeah, company. Then we can
Get
get
employment.
jobs,
Get
get
employment.
employment very easily.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that
Okay.
it is very nice place. Here is we can live, we can survive. If we are in like Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, we can survive, but we can't enjoy ourselves because
Okay.
we are jobless.
Okay.
If we don't have money, then how can we enjoy ourselves? Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Very true.
Because money is the important part in our life. If we
Money is
have money,
very
then we can
important.
enjoy.
So what about your family? Where is your family? Where are your parents? As
Yeah,
you
my
said that.
parents,
Yes.
yes, my all family members are in my home. I am staying in alone here.
Okay. You are staying all alone and your family is there in Uttar Pradesh. Which place in Uttar Pradesh
Yeah.
you belong to?
Yeah, I am from Hamirpur district. You know, Hamirpur,
Yes, I've heard
Jhansi,
about it. Yes.
Jhansi. You heard about, I
Yes.
think, Jhansi.
Yes, I have heard about Jhansi.
Yeah.
Yes.
So my village is nearby Jhansi.
Okay. So it is on the border, Madhya Pradesh border.
Yes, Madhya Pradesh border.
Okay. So how often do you go to your hometown?
I will go in Diwali.
Very good.
Yeah, and I have come here and like 8th June, and I will go in Diwali.
Okay. So you came in June and now you will go during Diwali.
Yeah.